So when it comes to gymnosperms, here's one of my personal favorites because you can literally plant a living fence with these. These are arborvitae, and if you're as crafty as Edward Scissorhands, you can literally make a cool friend for them. Or you can literally hug the tree just like I am. And they're really great for landscaping, and they're very versatile. And you look up close at this is one of these evergreen trees, which reminds us that it will retain its green throughout the season. You can look very closely here and see some cones, and you also see these nice leaves that are overlapping. These are flat scale leaves that nicely overlapping. You probably notice when it comes to many of our gymnosperms, especially in this group here, this is one of the conifers, right? This is in the Coniferophyta group. And again, as you can see, evidence with the cones here that I've pointed out, that a lot of these needles and leaves that we talk about, they don't feel very good. They feel very hard and very compact, unlike a soft maple leaf or that soft ginkgo leaf, for example. And that's because when you think about it, it makes sense to have a very, very tough, compact, thick leaf, because what is this tree going to deal with that, let's say, the ginkgo leaf won't be dealing with? Oh yeah, winter, right? And so it makes sense then for the Coniferophyta that retain their needles throughout the season that are evergreen, because some actually do lose their needles, to have such a leaf as this. So this is just one small little snippet of the Coniferophyta, which are extremely economically important when it comes to gymnosperms. It's not just awesome ornamentals like this that you can put in your yard and, you know, even trim it up to make it look like a good friend, but it's, you know, all the different products that we get. A lot of our paper products come from gymnosperms. A lot of our lumber comes from gymnosperms. We get cancer chemotherapy plants from certain gymnosperms, etc. So the economics of the conifers, especially the Coniferophyta, are they're burgeoning at the seams.